Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a message on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp on your device. Open the chat where the message you want to start is located. Scroll through the chat to locate the message you want to start. Once you have found it, press and hold on the message until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, select the star icon. This will mark the message as starred. And this is how you can start a message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.